Hey guys, if you want to help your child master handwriting skills with this Magic Groove handwriting practice set designed for kids age 5 to 10. It includes two magic pen with 10 ink refills, two silicone pencil grips, one fun sticker sheets, and five practice activity books like alphabet, numbers, drawing, math, and words. It includes 48 engaging learning activities like build essential skills like letter tracing, number writing, addition, subtraction, and more. This Montessori inspired workbook encourage focus and cognitive development while making learning fun. The pen has magic disappearing ink, like watch as the ink vanishes within minutes, allowing for unlimited practice without any mess. It is high quality design, thick durable pages, safety tested with rounded edges, and top spring binding make it easy for both left and right handed kids to use. It is perfect gift for screen free fun. It encourages independence, initiative, and persistence with this interactive learning gift. It is great for birthday gift, Easter, or Christmas gift.